Inductor and its significance in industry. And I represent our group members Nur Izraili Putri bin Imran and Muhammad Haziq bin Azim. Introduction for inductor. It is well known as one of the part of electrical circuit that is widely used in daily life. It's really passive electronic component but have a capability of strong electrical energy in the form of magnet energy. And it is coil of wire which can consist of different type of materials, diameter and length. It can produce a magnetic field around it when an electrical current starts to flow through it. The strength of the magnetic field that induced by the following electric current around the coil depends on the type of the material used, and also it has the ability of being able to resist or oppose charge of current in the circuit.
History of inductors. In 1830s, Joseph Henry and Michael Faraday discovered the properties of inductance. The first found by Faraday is a simple yet strange way where he rubbed a paper cylinder with wire, then he attached the end of the wire to a galvanometer and moved a magnet in and out of the cylinder. The galvanometer reacted to reveal the production of a small current. Shortly after, Reverend Nicholas Calland of Ireland invented an inductor coil. The earliest version of the inductors that been discovered consists of a coil with two terminals at the end which stored energy inside a magnetic field when a current was introduced. Law and equation. An inductor works by inducing a magnetic field where an electric current flows through the coil of wire. This magnetic field will temporarily store an electric energy as magnetic energy before creating a voltage across the inductor. The inductance of an inductor is given in units of Henry after the name of Joseph Henry. It can be calculated with the following equation above, and the description is below.
Advantage and disadvantage of inductor. The advantage of inductor is used to reduce current in AC circuit without any electrical energy loss. Besides, inductor can be used in combination with capacitor in order to form LC filters. Then, coil can store electrical energy in a form of magnetic energy. Lastly, voltage regulating converters are stabilized when it being used in the combination with inductor that can store magnetic energy. The disadvantage of inductor is the number of turns in a coil is necessary to achieve the same inductance that would occur in a solid core inductor. The inductor of high inductance value are not possible. And lastly, inductor loss increase at higher frequencies in an iron core. The application of inductor. Inductor are utilized in tuning circuit and also used as filter. It is additional won't store energy during a device. And also the inductor are used as a sensor and also employed as transformers. Besides, inductor are utilized in induction motors and also used as a chokes. So, based on the assignment that we have been done, we can conclude that an inductor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. An inductor typically consists of an insulated wire wound in a coil around a core. When the current flowing through an inductor changes, the time-varying magnetic field induces an electromotive force in the conductor, described by Faraday's law of induction. According to Lenz's law, the induced voltage has a polarity which opposes the change in current that creates it. As a result, inductors oppose any change in the current through them. Besides that, we have learned about the history of the invention of inductor and inductance. We also learned on how the inductor works and also know the advantage and disadvantage of inductor. Finally, we get to learn that there are many applications of inductor that has been used worldwide. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.